Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks for beginners. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account. Fidelity is a great option, offering various tools and resources for new investors. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can typically do this through electronic transfers from your bank. Before buying, familiarize yourself with market orders versus limit orders to ensure you're trading effectively. Before you buy, thorough research is crucial. Look into a company's financial health, recent news, and future prospects. Fidelity provides extensive research tools, including analyst reports and stock screeners, to help you make informed decisions. Consider key metrics such as the price-to-earnings ratio and dividend yield. Remember, diversifying your investments across different sectors can help manage risk and improve long-term returns. Once you've chosen a stock, it's time to place your trade. Log into your Fidelity account and find the trading section. Enter the stock's ticker symbol, like APPLE for Apple, and specify how many shares you wish to buy. You can choose between a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Always double-check all the details before confirming your purchase. After buying stocks, managing your portfolio is an ongoing process. Regularly review your investments to track their performance and ensure they align with your financial goals. You might consider rebalancing your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. This helps keep your risk level consistent. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help simplify your life. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.